Keeping track of extreme movements is vital for any trader's risk management strategy. These significant price changes usually occur following macroeconomic announcements such as changing inflation numbers, the release of earnings reports, or impactful social media posts. Identifying large changes can also signal new trading opportunities. However, spotting these movements in real time is nearly impossible to do manually, especially when trading multiple assets on several platforms. No matter your trading strategy, identifying extreme movements around your current positions can help you get out of a losing trade early or capitalize on a winning trade. Autochartist can accurately differentiate between small, normal, and large movements for each instrument by constantly collecting and storing information about how instruments change and move across different time frames. This means, for example, that Autochartist can determine the difference between an extreme movement on Microsoft versus crude oil futures. But it goes even deeper than that. We also discriminate between what it regards as extreme over a 24-hour period versus a period of 1 week. So whether you're a swing trader, trend trader, news trader, or interested in risk management, Autochartist's extreme movement feature is an invaluable tool for your trading strategy.